How to add friend on Steam for free. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Steam for free. So make sure you follow the following steps and watch the video till the very end. So the very first step is to search the community for other players and create a share and invite link with other players and navigate directly to another profile and select add friend. So if you see an interface like this, then what you need to do is simply search for the community for other players that you want to add friend with, and after that you need to create and share an invite link with the other players. After they tap on your link, you can directly navigate to another profile and select add friend. And just like that, tapping on the add friend, you can add friend without paying and for free on Steam. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.